Hi, it's Michael Pilarski, and we're here at the tail end of our 2024 tree sale and plant sale. And we do a lot of different plants and trees every year. This is the end of the sale, so almost everything's been picked over. We're almost out, but we've got rid of, thousands of plants today, hundreds of trees and shrubs, thousands of herbs plants. And we do a lot of, this is a bare root plant sale. It's much cheaper than buying things in pots or online. And so we have, things like European elderberry, and we have Amur cork tree, which hardly anybody else has. It's a Chinese tree. Anyway, we have lots of kinds of berries, elderberries, currants, and chokecherries, and we're one of the only people in the country selling Devil's Club. So people can start their own Devil's Club patches. You have to be really careful of them. And horse chestnuts and gooseberries. We sell a lot of berries because there needs to be a lot of food in the world and a lot of berries for those kids. So gooseberries and currants and aspens and anyway, a lot of these buckets are empty or almost empty, but they all started out pretty full. And we sell cuttings, red currant cuttings. So anyway, these you can just stick them in the ground and they'll grow. So it's a fast way to get a lot of berries that way. And we sell a lot of herbs. That's our specialty. We're an herb farm. And so we do a lot of propagation. We dig up little baby angelicas. We dig up the rhizomes for arnica. And we make cuttings from the betony plants. And so anyway, so this is all pretty much bare root rhizomes and crown divisions, and sometimes actual plants here. These are lemon balm. So so some things are bigger than others, but everything here will grow. Blue vervain and bone set, etc. But anyway, we're mainly medicinal plants, and so we have a lot of like 50 kinds of medicinals here. You can see all the different boxes. Everyone's a different kind of herb. So herbs, trees, shrubs. We have our seeds because we sell a lot of seeds. We've already packed up the books and the herbs, but we had a very busy day today, probably 100 plus customers, and it was great fun. A lot of kids. One of the kids just brought a little baby lamb with her. And so next year we'll be doing this again. I've been doing this since 1978. We've done over 200 tree sales all around the Northwest, or at least around from Northwest Montana through northern Idaho and all across Washington. And so every year we try to get more plants out to people because the world needs more plants, not less. So you do your share. Everybody should plant stuff. Take care of the earth. We got to take care of it before it's too late. Okay, so maybe we'll see you at next year's tree sale.